Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to calculate the number of days until an expiration date in Excel. Have you ever needed to keep track of expiration dates for inventory, memberships, or really anything else with a deadline? Excel can be a lifesaver for that. This video will show you a few easy ways to calculate the remaining days until something expires, making it simple to stay organized and avoid any nasty surprises. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basic subtraction method, the simplest and most straightforward way to calculate the difference between two dates. Using the today function to dynamically calculate days remaining, so your spreadsheet automatically updates every day. Conditional formatting to highlight expiring items and visually manage your data. So stick around. And before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more Excel tips and tricks. Now, let's jump into Excel. Screen recording starts. Excel sheet shown. Okay, so here we have a simple spreadsheet with two columns, item and expiration date. Let's say we want to add a third column called days until expiration, to automatically calculate how much time we have left before each item expires. Method 1. Basic subtraction. The simplest method is to subtract the expiration date from today's date. In the days until expiration column, click on the first cell, let's say it's C2. Now, type in the formula equals B2 today, and press enter. Whoa, wait. Why is it showing a weird number? Excel stores dates as sequential serial numbers. So when you subtract them, you get the difference in days, represented as a number. To fix this, select the column containing the result, column C in this case. Go to the Home tab and in the Number section, change the format from General to Number. Now you should see a whole number representing the days. Okay, drag the little square at the bottom right corner of the cell down to apply the formula to the rest of your items. That's it. You've calculated the days until expiration for each item. The problem? You have to manually update the today's date cell every single day. Let's automate that. Method 2. Using the today function, dynamic calculation. Instead of manually entering today's date, we can use the today function. This function always returns the current date, updating automatically whenever you open the spreadsheet. So go back to cell C2 and type in the formula equals B2 today. Press enter. The result should be the same as before, but the magic is that tomorrow, when you open the spreadsheet, this value will automatically update to reflect the current day. No more manual updates. Copy the formula down the column as before. Dealing with negative numbers. You might notice that some items show a negative number in the days until expiration column. This indicates that those items have already expired. Let's make this even clearer with conditional formatting. Method 3. Conditional formatting, highlighting expired items. Select the entire days until expiration column, column C. Go to the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting. Choose Highlight Cells Rules, and then less than. In the box that appears, enter 0. This will highlight all cells with a value less than 0, meaning they've expired. Choose a formatting style. I'll go with light red fill with dark red text for emphasis. Click OK. Now, all expired items are instantly recognizable.
Extra tip.
You can also use conditional formatting to highlight items that are expiring soon, maybe within a week or two. Just repeat the process but use between. Instead of less than, and set the range to something like 1 and 7 for items expiring within a week. Screen recording ends. And that's it. You now know how to calculate days until expiration in Excel using a few simple techniques. This can be a huge help for managing inventory, tracking deadlines, and staying organized. Remember to practice these techniques to really master them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to Rome Tech for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.